But you let us know, put it in the comments down below, pinstripe or no pinstripe. Did you get some high-res footage of this? So, we'll just see if we blow the freak out of it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage. We're here again today with a Stryker off-road design 2015 Toyota Tacoma that we picked up just a few short weeks ago. In the last video, we finally took it on the first test drive, and man, this sucker is a hot rod. It got us really pumped up to keep pressing forward. We got a little bit discouraged. We reached out to V-Tune, but he was a little bit busy and couldn't take a look at the frame, so we just fixed it ourselves. We're ready to go. This truck's ready to go. We picked up a big 1,000 watt amp for this truck. It's got some big kickers in the back, and if we got them, we're gonna flaunt them. So why don't we go ahead and pull this truck in the shop and get this amp out and kind of see. It's been a lot of years since I've wired up an amp. I'm sure it's gonna come right back to us. So that's enough talking. Let's get to work. So we didn't run these wires. These go to the speakers. This is our big power cable. And this is, we don't have a place to hook this up. I know where that goes. And then we got the blue wire, which I think is the remote. But we also got to have a ground. So you can get the ohm meter. Get the ohm meter, we'll see what this is. The brightness of yonder stuff. This right here, it's got to be the remote. And then the ground, it's got to have an end put on it, right?
You think it's gonna work?
Not playing yet. And just like that, we worked on this truck. We put that Crunch 1000 watt amp in there. We got this sucker rattling the windows. And if that ain't enough rattling, we got the exhaust to finish it off. This little sucker sounds like a mad bumblebee. But I know everybody's thinking, hey, why'd you put them running boards on there? Because this lift don't require running boards, right? But the lift we got coming does. So we went ahead and got these rockets out and put these suckers on. We got these off eBay. They was pretty cheap. You know, good enough, because we're gonna get this sucker lifted way on up. Gonna get it sounding really good. I think what we'll do is we'll go pick that lift kit up. We'll get it on the lift. We'll start putting it in. And then we'll get all of these light bars working and these ditch lights, but not the rock lights. We're gonna take all those off. So we got a sound system coming along. We gotta clean up the inside. We gotta get this huge lift kit put on. So that's enough talking. Let's get back to work. Alrighty guys, it is the next day here, and the lift was not available today. It had a Kia on it that was 100% tore all the pieces. It would take just too long to get it put back together. So we got this big, huge, rough country 6-inch lift kit for this Stryker off-road design Tacoma. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna attempt it right here in this garage. We're definitely gonna get the rear put under there. It would be really nice to put this thing up on the lift to get the front, but we do what we gotta do, and this is what we gotta do today. So that's enough talking. Let's get the rear of this truck lifted on up another 3 inches. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we got the rear end of this truck 6 inches off the ground. Them's the biggest blocks that I believe we have ever put in one of these things. It's really coming together. It's really looking really good. We did get a chance to work on these light bars. I know you saw them before in the night. Man, these things, this looks like a spaceship right out of Star Wars. It's an awesome truck. The light bars are super bright. We would really blind somebody and run them out of the road with this thing. But we wanted to get your opinion. Let us know. This side has the pinstripes. They look good. I don't know if it looks really good. Let us know. This side has the pinstripe and this side don't. It looks equally as good. But you let us know. Put it in the comments down below. Pinstripe or no pinstripe. That's what we need to know. We do feel like we got a lot accomplished in this video. Everything is coming together. We finally got all of these lights working. The light bar up top, the light bar up front, and the ditch lights. The headlights actually look like matches burning compared to these bright lights. We got us a 1,000 watt amplifier shoved in the front to kick those kickers in the back, just thumping away. It sounds really good. We got our new Rockets running boards put on this sucker. And we got that rough country lift kit started. We'll get the front finished up probably in the next video when we can get this sucker up on the lift. But if you like this video and you like this Stryker design, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before you too. Drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. We'll catch you next time in the Stryker design. We're out.